If you're a marketing company in the tree care industry and you cannot track the results that you are driving for your tree care clients, you are dead. Your clients are eventually going to question the ROI that you're driving, and they may end up firing you. My name is Jeff. I'm the founder of Groundwork. We are a system that helps to streamline the sales process for tree care businesses. Our system is a video-based system. So instead of just getting a form fill, we help tree care businesses collect video project walkthroughs from homeowners ahead of a sales appointment. Lots of times it's simple enough, they can quote it virtually. Sometimes it's a little more complex, and then we help them build trust with those prospects so that their pipeline is full of qualified leads. Now, a lot of what we do has to do with website integration and getting our system and the messaging of a quick quote baked into some of the marketing campaigns that you all may be running. Our team understands that tracking is very important. So we've developed several ways that our system can help you track the leads that you are generating for your clients. So I'm going to share with you 4 different ways that we can help you track your campaigns. The first is very simple. It's what we call a success page redirect. This is very simple. When a user completes the flow within Groundwork, we can direct them to a success page. You can put any number of pixels from any system that you might be driving leads from on that success page, and that will help us close the loop of which campaign drove that lead. The tracking for these pixels as they fire is handled in those systems. All you have to do is give us that success page URL. We will direct the user to that page after they're completed with their video upload and their flow is complete, and that's all it takes. The next one is UTM parameters. Now, there are several parameters that you can use here: campaign, source, there's several others. The cool thing about this is it's all in the URL slug. We take that information out of the URL and attach it to the lead record in our system, and then we make that available to you in Zapier. So when a lead comes in, we attach those UTM parameters to that lead, and you have an idea of where that lead came from and which campaign was responsible for that lead. Additionally, when our common customers log into Groundwork, they will see that UTM parameter on the lead itself. They'll start to understand, oh, this was that campaign, or this was driven from that different source. It's just a little way to help them understand the origin of that lead. Next up is click IDs. There are several different click IDs. Google click ID, Facebook click ID are probably the most common, but if there's a click ID that's also in that URL, we will also pull that in and attach it to the lead record. Again, this is visible to the arborist as they're in the system, checking things out, kind of wondering where these leads might have come from. They'll see that click ID and they'll attribute that lead to the efforts of your marketing team. All of the click IDs are also available in Zapier, so if you have a master tracking spreadsheet that you're kind of wanting to use, we can help facilitate you getting all the information of the leads that come through Groundwork into that sheet, along with those tracking codes that you might be interested in seeing as well. And lastly is Google Tag Manager. This one might be the most important. We've actually created a guide for you to review so that you can see exactly how this works. There's 3 simple steps. 1, you'll get some instructions to add some custom code to your site that acts as a listener. It'll capture the information that's input into the Groundwork form on that web page. Next, you'll create a custom event trigger in your GA4 account to catch the data that's collected. And then finally, you'll use that trigger to fire any of the tags that you want to track inside of GA4. Now, there you have it. A couple of quick, easy ways for you to track leads better as they come through Groundwork. We look forward to partnering with you more and more as you bring more clients onto the Groundwork system so that they can get high quality leads in their pipeline and streamline their sales process and adopt a little bit more of a modern way of doing things. Please let us know if you have any questions. We're here to help.